Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. In the last class, we know the boy was so cruel to a small dog. He didn't give a small piece of sandwich to the dog. Instead, he hardly bite to the dog. So all these activity was saw by the Mr. Roy. So he wanted to teach a lesson to the boy. So I will read the next part of the lesson. Mr. Roy saw all these. I must teach this boy a lesson, he said to himself. Mr. Roy got up and came out into the street. He had a stick in his hand. He called out to the boy in a kindly tone. The boy at once came to Mr. Roy. Mr. Roy took out from his pocket a thick chocolate bar. He showed it to the boy and said, "Oh boy, do you want this chocolate bar?" "Yes, please," said the boy happily. "Then have it," said Mr. Roy. The boy stretched out his hand for the chocolate, but Mr. Roy put it back into his pocket. Instead of giving the boy any chocolate, he gave him a sharp blow with his stick. The boy cried in pain. "Why did you hit me?" he asked angrily. "He didn't ask you for your chocolate." The boy cried in pain. "Why did you hit me?" he asked angrily. "I didn't ask you for your chocolate. And that little dog didn't ask you for your sandwich," said Mr. Roy. "Then why did you hit it?" The boy hung his head in shame. He was sorry for what he had done. There were tears in his eyes. "Did the blow hurt you?" asked Mr. Roy. "Yes, uncle, it hurt me so much." "So now you know what pain you gave to the little animal." "Forgive me, uncle," said the boy. "I will never do that again." "Good, and you must remember this," said the Mr. Roy. "Don't be cruel to little birds, animals. They too feel pain like us." "I promise you, uncle," said the boy. "Good. God made all things, big and small. Love God's things and God will love you," said Mr. Roy. The boy folded his hands in respect and went away. Mr. Roy walked back into his house. He was smiling. So the Mr. Roy was coming out to street. He had a stick in his hand. Roy was called. "Boy, to come near." He showed the chocolate to him and asked, "You want it?" The boy happily said, "Yes, I want the chocolate to eat." The boy extended his hand for the chocolate, but Mr. Roy didn't give any chocolate to the boy. Instead, he gave hard slap from his stick. The boy was cried in pain angrily. Said Mr. Roy, "I don't ask your chocolate, uncle." But Roy said that the little dog was also not asked for your sandwich. "So why did you hit it? You hurt the little dog. You know, my slap gives you pain, but your hit is also gives a lot of pain to the little animal." The boy was bent his head by the shame. He say sorry to the uncle. "I will never do that again, uncle." So Mr. Roy said to the boy, "Never give any pain to the animal and birds." The boy was gave promise to the Mr. Roy, "I will never do that again like this." He folded his hands and respect to Mr. Roy and went away. Mr. Roy was go back to his house with a smile. So this is your first lesson. Today you have to write the other part of the lesson in your homework book, and also once you read whole lesson. This is the homework. Okay, thank you.